Good morning, garden friends. Happy Monday. So today I wanted to plant these sunflowers along the back here. I did start these from seed, and I think it's about time to get them in the ground and see how they do. Okay, so first thing is I dug a little hole here, and we'll put maybe half of them in there. And then we'll put the other half in that back corner. Okay, so as you can see, we planted half of them here and half on that other side. They are going to get the sun in the morning, and then mostly maybe half in the afternoon because there is a tree above me. So we'll see how they do.